Morning guys, I'm now out on the plough again. Another nice sunny morning here. Yeah, I don't know what time it is. About 7, 8 o'clock, something like that. I've done a bit this morning. I'm doing the bit I put the muck on Saturday evening. Yeah, my friends are coming to see me, the seagulls. They'll soon turn around and come behind me. I've just started another road. I've now got the plough on the 270. The 270 with no GPS on. You don't need GPS when you're ploughing in the furrow, do you? So yeah, it's going not too bad. Had a 0.9 of a mil of rain overnight, but that's made no difference at all. Still see dust coming off the plough. So yeah, just comes to the end here. All the controls here on the thing. Lift it up on that. This one here turns the plough over. And then this one does the forward and reverse. I can use the shuttle lever here, I sometimes do, sometimes I use this. And now we go forwards, press that. The plough's nearly finished turning over, yeah, that's finished turning over. And then, when we're in the right position, simply press that. Can't really keep it still, it's so jerky. Then away we go. Then we re-engage the speed on the cruise. It's only a short road, so I'll run through this whole road what we're doing without coming to a triangle here. So, and then when we nearly get to the end, we press the first, we put my foot, you see it down there on the accelerator, and you cancel the cruise, and you drive it on your foot, and as you come to the end, you just gradually release the foot. Someone's going to say, why have I got my fuse cover off? Yeah, well we had a problem with the straw trailer. They kept blowing the fuse for the lights on the back. We eventually worked out it was when you were using the tailgate, the thing on the back to put the trailer on. Sometimes that would do it when it touched the ground. Sometimes it would do it when it was 3/4 of the way up. So in the end we had to turn the lights off whenever we operated the tailgate, and then it was okay. That's why that fuse cover's off. We had issues with that. And that other container down there was some biscuits. Obviously fell on the floor. Right, I've finished the ploughing the muck I did on Saturday evening. Just come check the oil. Get a rag and check that. Right. Yeah, that's fine. Just over halfway up the dipstick, which is good. Let's go around the back, check the hydraulic oil. Yeah, that's between max and extra, that's fine. We've got a beautiful sunset. It's now about 7:30. It's absolutely beautiful right there in the west. Yeah, I'm on the muck spreader. Right, I'm back out on the plough again now. It's evening time, just finished spreading the muck on this field. So I've been out on the plough for about, I don't know, an hour and a half. My assistant has just come. Got the other plough going as well. Two identical tractors. They're both on the 270s now, and both identical ploughs. So the only difference is in these two tractors, that one has got 42-inch rims on the rear, and this one's got 38. Apart from that, they're identical tractors. Oh yeah, that one hasn't got a front PTO like this one has, but yeah. Identical tractors, so we're both set at just about 7.5 kilometres an hour I've got my GPS, so it's not doing anything, it's just on. So you can see, obviously, I'm only doing half of it because it's doing the bits in between. Yeah, it's very dry, but it's a lot different from the last time us two ploughed together. That was last year when he's got a drone. When he got his drone out, that was well wet when we were ploughing then. Now it's well dry. But yeah, it's not going too bad. Knock it down with the cold breast tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, it's now about, I don't know, 6:30 in the evening. The thing is, it gets dark so early now. I think like 3/4 now, we'll have the lights on. Cutting something different we haven't cut before. Anyone know what it is? I'm not going to tell you what it is, someone's got to work out what it is. A bit breezy though. Any idea what that is? Afternoon guys. It's now Thursday afternoon, I think it's the 19th of September, another beautiful day. I'm out here with the, you can see what I'm doing, can you? Got the muck through on the back here. You can see much through there. I don't have the screen protector on because of the stones. Because they come back and I smashed the screen last year. Yeah, so I've got that protector on to protect it. Yeah, it's going not too bad. I've almost finished this field. It's got a little bit down left there down the bottom. But yeah, it's very difficult to keep the camera still because it's a bit rough because the fields are bone dry again, and every bump is a mountain, if you know what I mean. Yeah, we've got the GPS set. Although you can't really see that, but turn around when we get to the end of the road. The sun is so bright today, you can't really see what the screen is saying. Well, I can't give it still, can I? I've got the GPS set, so using that makes it nice and easy to spread nice and accurately. But I set at 8.25 metres, they said it spreads at 10, but it depends what stuff you're spreading. This stuff is quite light, not exactly heavy, so I brought it down a little bit. But yeah, I've almost finished another load now. The wire ain't working. We rent this machine out and it came back not working, and nor do the night lights work either, so I just have to do it on the speed control. I know it's nearly empty, and it's nearly empty, you just speed it up, because obviously at the back you don't get the full height of the beaters, do you, because it's gradually shutting down. So right, that's empty, so turn that back to a sensible rate, turn that off. We got the that one open closes the back door, so down is closed, that is open, and that one shuts the side doors. So yeah, so I've all programmed it into the thing, so it runs for the amount of time it needs to close it, and then I can now go and get some more. Alright, let's go and spread that load you just saw me load. There was something wrong on that when I was loading that up there, have you noticed? I'm not going to tell you what it is, you have to rewind it, see if you can work out what's wrong. There's something wrong with the machine there, so anyway, see if you can work out what it is. I don't know if you can see this, but it's pretty clear to me. This is where the wheat was. If you come around here, you see that line there? Down the middle there? Where is it? Down the middle there, where it gets more streaky, that side. That's where the spring barley was. And the other side there is where the wheat was. Completely different. It's a lot more sleeky. It's ploughing up a lot. It's a lot tougher to plough. You can get a lot bigger lumps. There seems to be more moisture in that than there is in this. This is a lot drier. So obviously, whether the roots in the spring barley didn't go down so deep, I don't really know. That's really interesting. You can see it right to a line. Yes, Farmer Stephen is out in the baler again, doing this stuff you saw. I saw you showed the combine doing it the other day. You've got to work out what it is. I don't know if anyone's worked out, well, probably only a few seconds ago in this video, what this stuff was. I was trying to show you what it was. We're around baling that stuff now. This baler's really nice. These bales are lovely bales. This one come up here. When we get close to that one, I'll show you how square it is. It's lovely, lovely and square. The moisture's spot on. For September, the 20th of September, it's not too bad at all. When you look how square the corners of that bale are. It's a lovely bale, absolutely beautiful bale. So yeah, I'm just baling this stuff up, even though in one of my videos I said that was the end of the bale, and I thought it was, but then this will turn up. And then I've also got some more. I've got 30 hectares of linseed when I've done this field. This is the third field of this stuff I'm doing. This is the last field. So I've just got this to finish, and then I'm going back into into some linseed. So yeah, that's where I'm heading after I've done this this field here. I think it's about a 10-acre field this is. So yeah, decent amount of straw off it as well. And it looks really golden. It looks really golden, almost like beginning of winter barley. But no, it's the 20th of September, so it's definitely not the beginning of winter barley. Alright guys, here we go. Now on the last field of linseed. I had 4 fields of linseed, about 30 hectares. So yeah, we're tonking it along. Set at 22k. There is some straw here, it's not too bad, but yeah, going pretty fast. So yeah, hopefully it shouldn't take too long, about another 20 minutes I reckon to finish this field. So yeah, it'll be finished before it gets dark, so that'll be good. Then we've got to cart all the stuff I've done today, that stuff earlier. Have you worked out what it is yet? And someone better write in the comments what you think it is. And then this linseed, I think we've got 39 bales so far, so might be 45 maybe. Right, we've now got 5 more rows left to do. That should be end of baling season. I've said this once, but no, this is the end now. Got 5 more rows here, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this down here. Hopefully you'll get a decent view down there. The frame just sits in there, and now I'm doing it in high speed. So here we go, last 5 rows. Alright, here we go, the last little bit. At normal speed. There we go guys. 2024 harvest baling is finished. Stop that PTO. Slow them revs down. And the bale is literally just, like you can see it falling out the back, so that's perfect. Right, now I'm forward up and go home. Right, here we are, just loading these bales, these mystery bales. So if anyone knows what they are, write in the comments, as I said before in this video. They're the mini bales. They're really nice square looking bales.